Add music to help set the tone of your video. Tap on the music icon to see music options. You can use music from your device or from our hand-picked stock library. Tap here to choose a track from your device. You can also pick a track from our stock library. As a free user, you can choose from 3 music tracks from each category. Paid users can access the entire library. Choose a music category. A list of music tracks will appear. To preview the music track, tap on the play button. When you have made your choice, click on Add to add it to your video. To preview your video with music, tap on the play button. You can change your track by clicking on Change. Use this control to adjust the volume of your video. Use this control to increase or decrease the volume of the music track. You can also choose to fade the music in or out at the start and end of the video. If you are happy with your music selection, tap Done. If you would like to discard these changes, tap Cancel. Add music to add excitement and engage your audience.